Hey Maddie, this is Alex with Diamond Digital Marketing, and I wanted to produce this website review for you. In this video, we're going to cover 3 things that you can do today to improve your rankings on Google. A free attack plan that really impacts your online presence. I'll keep it short. I know you're busy and I don't want to waste your time, so feel free to take these tips and put them to use, and I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts on them. All right, we're going to cover 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks. We always like to start with content first because with Google, content is king. We really recommend having about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, and I've got your site pulled up here, and it's a beautiful looking site. Someone really took their time to build this out on WordPress, and it looks great, but there's just not a lot of content on here. And again, we like to see 1,000 to 1,500 words on that homepage, and 500 to 750 words on the back pages. And the reason for this is you need authoritative and unique content on your website that's relevant to your industry. So, for example, when someone searches for housekeeper Aurora, Colorado, Google really wants to know that they're sending them to a website that's relevant to their search. These are buyer intent keywords, and these are the ones you really want to target. So if we pull up your competition over here, we've got Made to Shine Denver. They've got a good looking site, a few hundred words of content, but you can really do some work here, incorporate some content, some keywords, and start outranking them. Another one here, Denver Metro Maids. Again, good looking site, but a few hundred words of content, and that's it. And you can really start using that to your advantage to incorporate some unique content onto your site. So if we go over here to a tool we like to use called Ahrefs, this tool really lets us see what's going well for websites and what's not. And we can tell here, Mattie Johnson Cleaning, your site, you've got 0 organic keywords and no traffic coming to your site from that per month. Over here at Made to Shine Denver, they've got 464 keywords, and they're getting 156 clicks a month to their website. Over here at Denver Metro Maids, 102 keywords and 28 clicks a month to their website. So what you want to do here is kind of dig in, do some research, and see what they're getting ranked for. Denver Maids they get searched for 70 times. But that has a KD of 20, meaning that it's actually really hard to rank for, but they're in the 5th position for that. So you kind of want to go in here, do the research, and see what's getting searched for a lot. See Maid Service Denver, 150 searches a month. House Cleaning Services Denver, 100 searches a month. So those are the ones you want to target and start moving into your website and your content. So there's hundreds of them in here. You kind of want to do the research and stay on the ones like House Cleaning Aurora, Colorado. 80 searches a month, but it's got a KD of 3, not very difficult to rank for at all. So that's where you want to do the research and focus on those keywords and adding them to your content. Moving on to citations, when you type those buyer intent keywords, I'm going to keep bringing them up because they're so important. When you type those into a Google search, the first thing you'll see up here are sponsored ads, and these actually work really well. These ones right here are pay-per-click or Google AdWords. And then the third section that you have right here is the Google Map Pack or GMB. And what gets you into that map pack are your citations. And a citation is your business's name, address, and phone number listed in different directories across the web on places like yellowpages.com, Yelp, bbb.org, Facebook, Whitebook. There's hundreds of them out there, and it's not hard to get listed on them. It's just really time consuming to get done. Now, if we pull up another tool we like to use here called Whitespark, this lets us research those citations. We can tell here you've got 7 listings, Made to Shine has 27, and Denver Metro Maids has 14. And similar to those keywords, you want to get in here, do the research, and see where your competition is getting listed, which directories they're in. Get after all of those, and then go after about 100 more so that you can get atop of that map pack and stay up there and they can't catch up to you. And the third element we want to cover are backlinks. Backlinks are links from any other websites that point back to your website. And it's kind of like a popularity contest with Google. The more backlinks you have pointing back at you, the more relevant your website is. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want them to be on sites relevant to yours, so you don't necessarily want to have a backlink at Big O Tires or Domino's Pizza, for example. So looking a little deeper at the information here, we can tell you've got 4 backlinks. Over here at Made to Shine, they've got 809 backlinks. And at Denver Metro Maids, 112 backlinks. And similar to everything else, you want to do the research, see where your competitor is getting listed at, get those backlinks. This shows you the power of their backlinks. Get backlinks that have at least this power and outrank them. Get as many backlinks and as much power as them. So if you see right here, yellowpages.com, those citations and directories will sometimes create backlinks for you. Commenting on blogs that have content relevant to your website will give you backlinks, and asking friends to link back from their sites will help out as well. So again, you want to do the research, get into as many of them as possible, and blow out the competition. So in closing, we want to recap what we went over. Content, you're looking for about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage and about 500 to 750 word on the back service pages. Citations, you need to get out there and get into as many of these directories as possible so you can really beat out the competition. And backlinks, you need more relevant sites pointing back to your site, and you want to have at least what the competition has and then some. Citations will give you these blog comments and friend sites linking back to yours. And if you implement these 3 strategies, you can most definitely start outranking your competition on Google. I hope that you found this video informative, and again, feel free to take these tips and do what you can to improve your traffic with them. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts to see if you would like to know more on how we can help grow your business with these strategies. Thanks again.